Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Children, now let us discuss about taxonomy. Taxonomy. It is the science of identification, classification and nomenclature. As already we discussed, based on their special characteristics of all living organisms can be classified into different taxa. The process of classification is called taxonomy. Carolus Linnaeus is known as the father of taxonomy. The basis of modern taxonomy studies are external and internal structure, comparative morphology, along with the structure of cells like cytology, development process, embryology, and ecology information of organisms. It provides information according to similarities, dissimilarities, and evolutionary relationship of various organisms. Children, now let us study the basic process of taxonomic studies. Organisms are described on the basis of morphology and other characteristics. The description of characteristics helps in the placement of the organisms in various taxa. A new taxon can be framed if the organism is different from the existing taxa. The correct naming of an organism can be done after placing it in various taxon. A new organism can be given a new name after following the standardized rules. Children, now let us discuss about modern taxonomy. The modern taxonomy or it also called as new taxonomy, and the concept of modern taxonomy was given by Julie Huxley in 1940. It uses evidence from all the areas of biology like morphology, anatomy, biochemistry, cell biology, sociology, genetics, evolution, etc. The modern taxonomy is based on the following features. The studies are done on a huge number of organisms based on all the variations. The studies is also focused on subspecies, varieties, races and populations. Species are not isolated, they are related by descent and they vary from them due to accumulation of variations. Species considered by dynamic and ever changing entity. Biological delimitations includes various branches of systematics, examples cytotaxonomy, experimental taxonomy, numerical taxonomy, chemotaxonomy, etc. This leads to the development of phylogenetic system or sylladistics of classification. Children, now let us discuss the taxonomic character in detail. Classification is not a single step that process, but it involves hierarchy of steps in which each step represents a rank or category. Since the category is the part of all over taxonomic arrangement, it is called the taxonomic category, and all the categories together consist the taxonomic hierarchy. Thank you.